Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to allow user delete own account in WordPress. But before jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. And it inspired me make this type of helpful video for WordPress users and WordPress learners as well. Okay, let's get started. Very fast, let's check which we are going to do in this tutorial. This is a classified listing website and which I built with Classima theme. And let's check the my account page. So already I have opened the website with another browser. So go to the incognito mode. This is the website which I opened with incognito mode. If you navigate to the my account page, from the right side top you can see this is the user icon. If you click over here, you will be go to the my account page. This is the my account page and you can see it has two form, login and registration form. As a user you can register from here, and after register you can log in from here. Already I have registered a account as a user. Okay, so now I can log in as a user from here. Okay, you can see I logged in as a user. So in this tutorial I will show you how to add a delete button here, and as a user you can, or any user can delete their own account. Okay, so go to the admin dashboard and just hover on plugins and click on add plugin. Search here WP delete user accounts. Just scroll down, then check. This is the plugin which we are going to use in this tutorial, WP delete users account. So just hit install now, activate. After activating the plugin, just scroll down and check what is the plugin. Okay, this is the plugin WP delete user account. Okay, so let's check the plugin documentation. So already I have opened up the plugin documentation. I have given the plugin and this documentation link in this video description. You can check it from here. Okay, you can see this is the details tab and the description, and it shows this is the WP delete user account. You have to add this shortcode into the my account page. Okay, so very fast we can copy this shortcode. Just select and copy it and go to the my account page. This is the my account page and edit the page. Okay, you can see this is the my account page, my account shortcode. Now I have to add another shortcode. Just click here and from the left side top click here plus icon and write here shortcode. This is the shortcode. Okay, you can see this is shortcode, and just copy the shortcode here. Then from the right side top click on save. Now open this page with another browser. So already I have opened with incognito mode, and you can see this is the my account page, and just refresh the page. After refreshing the page, you will see a new option will be added here. So refresh it. Okay, you can see this will cause your account to be permanently deleted. You will not be able to recover your account and delete my account. You can see after install and activating the plugin and adding the shortcode in my account page, this button is added here. Now if I click here, then my user account will be deleted for permanently. Okay, let's check it. Before deleting it, let's check the user's details. So again, go to the dashboard and you can see this is the users. Just click here, all users. You can see currently it has 2 users. Very first is administrator and this is the subscriber. Okay, now I want to delete my own account, which is I login as a user, and this is the user account. Okay, so let's check it. Now click here, delete my account. Okay, it give a pop-up, confirm by typing delete. Yes, I want to delete the account, so confirm it and write here delete. Okay, then the yes, delete it. Processing, please wait a few moments. Yes, the account is deleted successfully. So okay, you can see I'm log out and again try. You can see same account is not working here. So again, for the confirmation, let's check for the admin dashboard. So again, go to the admin dashboard and refresh it. After refreshing the page, you will see this account will be removed from here. Okay, so refresh the page. Yes, it's working fine, and you can see the user account has been removed from here. So in this tutorial, we have learned how to allow user delete own account in WordPress. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have already added lots of tutorial on WordPress. You can check it from my channel. Thanks for watching the video.